In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image zoom hover effect on your Wix site. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you can work directly on the page where you want the effect to appear. It's a good idea to decide in advance which section of the site will benefit most from this kind of interaction, such as a gallery, a featured product area, or a promotional image block. That way the design feels intentional and fits naturally into the rest of the page. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side panel and click the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. From there, navigate to the Interactive category and choose Hover Boxes. You will see several template options available. Pick any hover box style you like and drag it onto your workspace. Don't worry too much about the default design, because you can customize it to match your own content and branding. After placing the hover box on the page, you will probably notice that the template comes with built-in placeholder elements. In the regular state, select and remove anything you don't want to keep, such as sample text, preset backgrounds, or decorative vector artwork. Clearing out these default elements helps create a cleaner base and makes it easier to focus on the image effect itself. Next, set your main image. Click on the container background or the image area inside the hover box. Then choose Change Image. From there, upload your own photo from your media library or choose one from Unsplash if that works better for your project. Try to use a high-quality image so the zoom effect looks smooth and professional when visitors move their cursor over it. Now it's time to create the zoom animation. Click the hover box, then switch from the regular state to the hover state using the box toggle. In the hover state, click Choose Effect, or use the Interactions icon if that appears in your editor. Select the Grow or Zoom effect to make the image enlarge when someone hovers over it. After that, click Customize. This is where you fine-tune the effect by adjusting the growth scale percentage, the transition timing, and the growth origin point, such as the center. A subtle zoom often looks more polished than an extreme one, so take a moment to test what feels best for your layout. When everything looks right, click Preview to test the zoom hover effect on your page and see how it behaves in real time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.